I think Muay Thai is one of those sports, although it's weight category, there are so many different ranges you can fight at that your stature, what type of body type you've got, all of that can allow you to compete and change Muay Thai to be your flavor, to suit you.
Fighters, welcome back to another episode of Heatrick Muay Thai Performance.
It's one of the reasons I've loved Muay Thai. I've tried different martial arts. And once I found Muay Thai, it was like, this is the one. This is the one that allows me to play with all the tools. The clinch is another completely different technical ball game. You get strikers who are really good that are terrible in the clinch and vice versa. It's a different skill. It suits different physical attributes as well. In Muay Thai, it's much more about strength than the speed element. So, if you're naturally stronger than your opponent, that's a tactical way you can change the fight, get into that clinch range. And now you can play to physically your strengths and apply that. So yeah, I think Muay Thai is one of those sports, although it's weight category, there are so many different ranges you can fight at that your stature, what type of body type you've got, all of that can allow you to compete and change Muay Thai to be your flavor, to suit you. And it's not like in some sports, so gymnasts, if you're tall, that's terrible because you don't rotate very quickly. You're just a slow revolve. You can't tumble, all that kind of stuff. Being short and strong and explosive helps. Whereas with Muay Thai, you could be more generous with the different body types and different statures because it's just like, you just adapt a fight style that suits you now for your weight category. It's up to you to get your body composition to where you're competitive in a weight category, of course. But it doesn't matter if you're tall or short. You've just got a different fight style. You just got to find what works for you. So yeah, it's one of the reasons I really love Muay Thai. It doesn't kind of eliminate anybody. It's up to you to find your way. And actually, the more unique you can be, the more of a handful you are for everybody because no one knows how to deal with you because it's only you. Not like I've fought people like you before. It's someone who sort of plays to their abilities and their type, their fight style. They've really embraced that. It makes them a hard puzzle to crack. So yeah, I love that. I love that aside to it.
Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like, subscribe, and share with someone else it could help too. Please give the podcast a review or comment below. We'd love to hear from you. As always, you can visit heatrick.com for more Muay Thai performance podcasts, videos, articles, and guides. Catch you next time.